What's this one? Is that Thrasher? Brutus? Uh-oh. Mechanical Mischief. Who's that?
Gravedigger.
Gravedigger. Who's that? Full Bore.
No!
Who's that?
Simon.
Who's that?
No!
Who is that one?
No way.
Is that Maximum Destruction?
No, it is right here.
Okay. Who's that?
Batman. Red down the Gravedigger.
The old Gravedigger.
Optimus.
Monster Mutt.
Lost it.
Destruction. Who's that one?
No, this.
Yeah, who is that one?
Roger.
Grinder.
Torgoko.
Tora Luca.
I did Superman.
Superman. Storm Damage. Who's that one?
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels. What about this one?
That's Gravedigger.
Son of a Digger.
The Spider-Man.
Iron Man. Stone Crusher.
No, it's a box.
Yeah, that's why the rocks are on there. Stone Crusher. Ice Monster. Backdraft.
No, it's a fire truck.
Yeah, it's a fire truck. That's Maximum Destruction too. Who's that?
That's the Curse.
Captain Curse. King Crunch.
Yeah.
Shocker.
Yeah.
Wow.
This.
Okay, who is that?
Jadron.
Thrasher.
Yeah. Bruce.
Brutus. Mechanical Mischief.
Yeah. Gravedigger.
Yeah, Gravedigger.
The Bullboard.
Full Bore, that's right.
Fireman.
Right,
Deer. Batman.
right.
Done Gravedigger.
Old Gravedigger.
Yeah. Done Gravedigger.
Who's that one?
Optimus.
Monster Mutt.
It's Destruction.
Destruction. Okay, what's it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Don't touch.
I didn't touch it.
It fall out.
Yeah.
It's a ball.
What's over there? You're not going to do those? You want to count them? How many do we have?
No.
You ready?
Oh.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5,
No.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Counting the one in the middle. That's not a Hot Wheels brand. We got that one at Cracker Barrel.
I did Love Wheels.
Yep, Hot Wheels.
I did that one.
You got more than 24. You have left some somewhere.